Thank you for buying this 18756 wood floor vent cover from Fixture Displays. This floor register cover is made from solid hardwood, unfinished, have grooves match most, creates a 3/4 inch hardwood floors. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. You can stain and finish this wood cover any color you desire, and the metal grill can slide to produce different level of diffusion. It fits perfectly. If you have a custom size, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. This particular size is 12.4 inches outside dimension by 6.8 inches, and thickness is 0.8 inches. I invite you to browse Fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. If you have any questions, again, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to fabricating wood and metal products, we also provide a wider variety of building materials, from stones to bricks to windows and doors. If you plan your project well, we can help you save substantial amount of money. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.